Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jwala Chorasi, and today we are going to solve the problem which came into Starters 226. The name of the problem is sub A add B. The problem code is SUBAADDB. The difficulty rating of the problem is cakewalk and the prerequisite is a doc. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says chef has a string of length n. The exact contents are irrelevant. Only the length matters. Given two parameters a and b, chef does the following repeatedly. While the string is of length at least a, choose a substring of length a from the string and replace it with a substring of length b. It is guaranteed that b is lesser than a. So this process will eventually terminate. Find the final length of the string when this terminates. Input format: the first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The first and only line of each test case contains three integers n, a, and b. Output format: for each test case, output on a new line the final length of the string. Constraint: for t lies from 1 to 100, for n lies from 1 to 100, b and a lies from 1 to 100. So guys, now let's understand the sample test case in the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is very straightforward. It says that chef has a string of length n, okay, and the exact contents are irrelevant for us and only the length matter for us. So given two parameters a and b, chef does the following repeatedly. While the string is of length at least a, choose a substring of length a from the string and replace it with a substring of length b. Okay, just see this. While the string is length of at least a, then only. Okay, so it is guaranteed that b is lesser than a. So this process will eventually terminate somewhere, and we have to find the final length of the string when it terminates. Okay. Okay, so now let's take the first test case. We have got as 4, 3, 2. Okay, cool. Which is NAP. Cool. Okay. So each action reduces the string length by 1. Since you are replacing a substring of length 3 with length 2, right? Basically with B. Chef does the action once to get n to 3 and then again to get n to 2. Now the length is no longer at least a. Okay. So we can say that the final length would be 2, as we can stop here. So guys, I think the test cases are very much clear. Now let's move towards the simple solution. You have a string of length n. While it has a length greater than equal to a, you will remove some substring from string whose length is a and insert a substring, and we have to whose length is b. So we have to find the final length of the string, right? So the explanation would be, let n be the length of the string. Then the process tells us that if n is greater than equal to a, delete a substring of length a from the string. This will reduce the length by b a. Then insert a substring of length b into the string. This will increase the length by b. So the length of the string changes from n to n minus a plus b. Then repeat this process with a new length. The above algorithm can be implemented directly using a while loop as follows. While n greater than equal to a, n equal to n minus a plus b. Because it's guaranteed that a is lesser than b, this will result in the value of n strictly reducing. So after several steps, the value will certainly fall below a, and then the process will terminate. Implementing this loop directly will give AC. So guys, I think the solution is pretty much clear. Now let's move toward the simple C++ code. So guys, this is my simple C++ code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as NAB, and over here at while I'm checking n greater than equal to a, n equal to n minus a plus b, and I will simply print n. And as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code right. Now let's move towards my Python code. So guys, this is my similar Python code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as NAB. Over here I'm checking in while condition, while n greater than equal to a, n equal to n minus a plus b, and at the simply I will print n. And as you can see that guys, I have got my Python code right. So guys, I think the solution, the code and the approach is pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.